DJ Paco Rich.
Hello. I say we are my channel no do high fancy YouTube. Na yimre henez zoko do Ghana bibiara na ya scout man, ya hwehwe man. Ya atwen na ya zabro wa hana wo so atbi wo wasum. Na tie bi wo wasum. Na today we pedemizi in Komobi. Yes, pedemizi in Komobi. Na damon command quite interesting. But anyway, and subscribing to channel, yeah, Mr. Subscribing, I get a bit too much. Cheda was so in your let na ashebi atibi na kebi. Na yanyam there Ghana wedding. Actually, from the 90s, yeah, the Bapimenda. There've been a lot of transformations in Yama Bebre Wasa. And it keeps changing, and we don't know what's next. First, na yenyima your friend, there was nothing like a bridal shower na damenya manyaman ni yenyim there. Na first, more popular your bachelors na parts and on ne yenyim. But bridal shower boom, pre-photo shoot boom. Auto stage been pana was a drone in a was deliver rings. As I say, enyama bebre abam, enyama sunku bebre abam. No, oh nice. It has brought a lot of business opportunities. First, na wedding so they be decoration chinchina via. Ye lacy be at the sunset man a chere yaroko. But then wedding on where your videos were hashtag se benyino wa freno ebia eya Sam in a besiano wa freno ebia roda na wayen Sam Road 2020. And now Rosam 2020. I mean, we've had a lot of these things coming up. But I'm surprised with the recent video quite interesting. There, chapter dame na benyino warren ye macho man. Waka macho man a bodybuilder. Someone one page engine every day. No, dam ko bin. Yes. Na ehwe benyi na nyankufo awe macho funi bi na wo wacha prodem na wa raw shirt bare chested 6 packs pa na wo de che asoremban na asore guess na wo what yeah dami nyamani na warrior na odu stage bin macho man what on safra wo brother macho dey I say na wo ye would day o inti bachelor wife na onhu there wo so wo body oni yin video amedze chewe yen hwe we say it are you afraid of confident for all how we mention one. Hey, not the macho man as who by the man woman as social one body in womb pressure you for not one body need to pants on your beer or impona betray them one man or do I bonnet tap. Now say you know why by you food be damn secure though. There and you there and yana will be into me bed service 7 and question biara nchero on what ba no ma wo no na robe sorry na me be said there na say if from suma benyi na bufu ba na wore bro a ibi baka wo ma wo do a ibi baka na wa asam you know hey what to try more kan wa pro but anyway me feel the bibi damana say oh yeah. It could be at the bachelor's party now, but chapter dame. I mean, doing this and it looks some way bikakramam. I don't know your view, but it's nice though. But I think they be a boys and girls who are gathered for your full refreshments. Now worry the mazia. I'm cool, but chapter dame me need too good feeling about it. And see, this is the news that we have for you today. Or an interesting video all trend online. I'm sure show. And subscribe to this channel. Na using come from a parkour to the rich. Remember, Bill na menye we bizin come be maka one. Bye bye.
DJ Paco Rich.